8 days to turn your passion into a startup or business using the power of AI. In the next 8 days, we are going to go through 15 plus of different AI tools to bring your ideas, your passion that you have into real building blocks through different checkpoints. This amazing challenge is where you will be learning how to use the different AI tools that we read about professionally. More than 123 million people use ChatGPT daily, but only 5% of them use it professionally. Become that top 5% where you learn how to use the AI tools for your specific tasks. General purpose ChatGPT is very good, but for very specific things that are there, ChatGPT is not going to help. You need to go to specific tools that are there. In this 8-day challenge that is going to happen, it's going to start from 19th July to 27th July. You will go through these 8 days where you will get time to submit your idea, do some market research and validation, create a basic wireframe or user flow that is there, do some technical feasibility. If you are a techie, then you can do a little bit more deeper, add what you have learned before into your specific this particular project. For there are a lot of no code low code tools also available for non-techies as well. Creating an MVP, a minimal viable product, integration and getting feedback from the community, creating LinkedIn post, creating LinkedIn social media content regarding this, and then more about reflection. So these are the things that we are going to do. We have an amazing prize for this challenge. As you all know, the first person is going to get 100% scholarship for our particular program and everything that is there. So we are going to use a lot of AI tools that you can see here. Everything is there in details. Day zero, not only one specific tools, will give you a plethora of tools to start using. So join the challenge right now for a small fee. You get access to learn with amazing people, mentors, sessions that are there, as well as put your perspective that is there into a actionable product using the technology of AI for different tools. What are the things that you need to stay in focus? So best of luck. Do hit a join button, join this challenge, introduce yourself, do the day zero, and see you in this amazing 8 days starting from July 19th and ending in July 27th that is there. Thank you and best of luck.